Hi guys, welcome back. Samsung announced 4 new Galaxy S phones at its Unpacked event, marking the 10th anniversary of its flagship Galaxy line of devices. The Galaxy S10e, S10, S10 Plus, and S10 5G are chock full of features, redefining to a small degree what a premier device should be. In order to expand the appeal and affordability of the Galaxy S10 series, Samsung developed 4 versions. The S10 and S10 Plus are the main variants and mirror what we've seen in the past. The only differences between the two are the size, weight, screen size, and battery capacity. Just like before, the S10 Plus also has an extra camera when compared to the S10. Samsung has made this year the S10e, S10, S10 Plus, and S10 5G have an ultrasonic fingerprint reader under the glass. It measures the 3D contours of your finger through the glass to identify the owner and unlock the device. Samsung showed us how easy it is to use and how quickly it can unlock the phones. The reader has no impact on the appearance of the screen, though Samsung admits some third-party screen protectors may not be compatible with the ultrasonic fingerprint reader. The fingerprint is stored locally in the secured Knox module of the phone. The phones also have a powerful facial recognition feature that uses the front-facing camera. The screens measure 5.8, 6.1, 6.4, and 6.7 inches, respectively. I'm glad Samsung stuck with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It isn't as extreme as 21:9, which we're beginning to see on other flagship devices. These are excellent screens, and will likely be lauded by the industry. Samsung's S line has typically gone on sale in March, and this year is no different, except for the previously mentioned Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. The Galaxy S10e, Galaxy S10, and Galaxy S10 Plus will be open for pre-order February 21st and should reach stores March 8th. Pricing for the Galaxy S10e starts at $749. Samsung is pitching the S10e as a more affordable entry point to the Galaxy S series, but don't call it a budget phone. Pricing for the Galaxy S10 starts at $899, and pricing for the Galaxy S10 Plus starts at $999. We also don't have any details on the S10 5G's price tag just yet. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.